The vinyl cutter came in. That's it right over there. And can't wait to open it up, see what's inside. I've never worked with Silhouette. There's a baby girl right there. But this is gonna be the office, the shop, just a garage pretty much. But we have today the Silhouette Cameo4 Plus. I'm gonna give it my honest review. I'm gonna open it up. This is the bundle. So if you guys are interested in it, I'm gonna put the comments down below. And it's up to you if you want that. I have never worked with this. However, I am somewhat familiar with it, with vinyl cutting and plotters and stuff like that. But I want to see this is one of the very few that are compatible with Mac. So that's why I bought it. So this is gonna be my office in the meantime and in between time. So I'm gonna open it up for you guys, show you what's up, and try to set it up and see what I can do. I've never tried it on this Cameo before. So what do we get in this box? I opened it up already. We get a quick start guide, which I will definitely be using. Let's run through this real quick. Tells you everything here. I definitely have to look through this because I definitely need help. I never worked on this before. You get a designs thing. I mean, you get free bonuses for you right here. And well, let's do this. I think this is a cutting board. It looks as if it's a cutting board. And what do we get in this box? You get your blades, right? You get your power adapter. This is cool. You get all your tools. Comes with 4-piece pick set, tweezers, pink scraper tool, precision knife, white hand squeegee, wood squeegee, and blue felt tip squeegee. Okay, pretty cool. And this is this is transfer paper. It looks as if it's transfer paper. It is transfer paper, as you can see right there. And okay, you get your vinyl. I don't know how many colors it comes with, but definitely red. I see red, white, and blue there. That's gonna be cool. And this is a unit. Let's take it out and place it on the table. So what we have here, let's peel it off. So this is the unit itself. I'm gonna go inside, go on the computer, set everything up, and all that mess. I'm actually gonna put it on my smaller Mac. We might have an actual little shop for us in the next couple of weeks. I don't know, but let's see. This is going to be the setup right here for my little studio here. I'm gonna put a table right here with my computer. That's, you know, because the wire is gonna be right there. And I'm gonna put the rack here that will have the shirts and stuff like that. So when I have customers, I'll do it that way.